My name's Natalie. I'm the Director of Diver Training and Support for Gulf and Bay. I basically help out divers in the morning, and I'm the lead trainer. So today we're here at St. Pete Municipal Marina. We're on Dock 4, cleaning a 60-plus foot boat. I got 3 trainees with me today, and this is going to be a fun day. Got a fun boat to do, lots of great experiences today. Gonna learn a lot of things, so it'll be a lot of fun. The thing I love most about working for Gulf and Bay is being able to meet different people from all different types of walks of life, and also getting to teach people what I know. And not only teaching people, but learning from them as well. Because I can easily say I've learned something from every single person I've met here. And of course, getting to swim with the sea life in the ocean every day and just getting to be in the water makes me so happy. So typically I get to work, I get to the warehouse by 7 a.m. in the morning, sometimes a little earlier. I start the day, fill my tanks, and then I help divers figure out their schedule for the day if they're kind of not familiar with an area. Sometimes there are notes that they have to read and figure out what to do with them, so I try to decipher what's going on with that and help them figure out what they need to do. I help divers find their zincs in the morning, and I just try to offer moral support, try to be there for them if they need anyone to talk to, have questions, that kind of stuff. Typically, if I'm training that day, I will talk with my trainees about where we're going that day, give them a rundown of parking procedures, the boats that we're doing, give them some details on that, maybe my past experiences on things. I try to be very thorough in what I teach them. We have a training checklist that makes sure we hit every point on there, make sure our divers are really well versed in terminology, where things are located on boats, corrosion, zincs, things like that. So I want to make sure our divers are really aware of what they're getting themselves into, and so that they feel really prepared once they're out of training to be on their own. I would love to go back and get my master's in marine science. I really love invertebrate biology, and I've definitely grown that love working for Gulf and Bay as I've been able to firsthand see the growth rates of invertebrates, and also seeing how weather affects it, or sunlight, or even different levels of nutrients that are input into the water by humans on a daily basis. So I've certainly learned a lot. I have my bachelor's in marine science and environmental studies, so this has definitely helped me find the path that I want to take in the future moving forward. I also love doing pottery and art and creating things, so I love that this job gives me the flexibility to pursue other interests as well.